All serious businesses need a professional email address, but most options out there are expensive and have very limited features. That's where Neo comes in, which is a platform that allows you to set up a professional email at a super affordable price while also giving you a free domain. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can set it up in less than 2 minutes, along with how to use all the other business features that Neo offers, so you can stop wasting money on expensive Google Workspace and Outlook subscriptions. So make sure you close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. Now the first thing that you have to do is to go over to neo.space, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, because this is the website that is going to give you a super affordable business email. Now the reason why every business needs an actual professional business email is first of all to differentiate itself from all the other normal email addresses, and also to massively increase the amount of emails they can send before they land in the spam folder. Because if you're using a simple email and mass sending emails, you're very likely to land in the spam folder very fast. Well, with a business email, that is less likely to happen, especially if your emails have good open rate and good content inside them. So now that you understand that, let me show you how you can sign up to Neo and how you can set up your professional business email in less than 2 minutes. Now the first thing that you need to do is to come over here to the top of the page and click on sign in, and then click on sign in to your customer account. Now this is going to bring you over in this page where if you don't have an account, you simply can switch over to the create an account section, enter your details and create your Neo account. Now once you do that, you're going to be brought over in the choose a domain section, where what you need to do is come over here and find the domain that you want to use for your professional email address. Now what I would advise you to do is to put in your business name in this domain. For example, since I have an AI startup that is called Lumina, I'm going to come over here and type in Lumina. And now if I click on search, this is going to suggest me the best domain for my business, which is this one, lumina.co.site. And as you can see, Neo gives us this domain completely for free for the first year if we actually choose to go with their annual plan. Now, if you already have a domain, you can simply come over here and click on use a domain I own, and then simply set up your pre-existing domain. But I will assume that most of you don't have a domain. That's why I will choose to go with this option over here. And once we click on use domain, then we're going to be brought over in this section, where what we need to do is to input our username that comes before our professional email address. Now, what most people do over here is they put in things like sales, like marketing, and things like that. You can also put in your own personal name if you actually want to, but since I want this to be a company email and not just my personal business email, what I'm going to do is I will come over here and type in sales, and then what I need to do is to come over here and set up a password for my mailbox. And now that I've filled in my password, all I have to do is to simply come over here and click on create mailbox, which is going to bring you over in this page over here, where if you want, you can add in mailboxes for any other team members that you might have. For example, if you have an employee that is called Demian, you can simply come over here and type in Demian at lumina.co.website and add in this mailbox. But if you don't have any other employees and it's just yourself, you can simply click on it's just me, skip this. Now in the next page, it's going to prompt you to add some popular general mailboxes. For example, you can add in info@lumina.co by clicking on add, or any of these other popular options. Now these are not mandatory, but you can add them in if you want to have multiple email addresses. And once you're done, you can simply come over here and click on done, continue to the next step. And this is going to bring us over in the AI powered site builder, which is another feature that Neo offers that allows you to create a fully custom website for your business with just a few simple clicks. Now I'm going to show you this feature in a bit, because right now we have to click on continue and simply select one of the plans that Neo offers. And as you can see, if we choose to go the yearly plan, we have some super low prices, since with a starter plan, we're just paying $2 per month to have a fully functioning business email, which also goes along with their AI website builder. Now, from all of these plans, I actually think the best one is the max plan, because with just $8 per month, you literally get all the features that Neo offers, which are a lot, and they really help you optimize your email inbox and your email sending, which is going to have a massive ROI for your business. And these are the prices for just the yearly plan, because if you choose to go with a 4-year plan, which I would actually strongly advise you to do, you can get these prices up to 50% cheaper. And going with this plan is actually the best option for you. You won't need to remember to renew your yearly subscription every time that date comes around, along with getting a 50% discount on top of that. So if you want my advice, I would personally choose to either go with a 4-year plan or at least with a 2-year plan. And after you buy your plan, I personally chose to go with a max plan. You're going to be asked these very few questions, so Neo gets to know more about your business. So I'm going to go over and answer them. I will say my industry is AI SaaS. What is the employee count at my company? Let's say 1. I am the founder. What made me sign up to Neo? Where did I find Neo from? And then it is asking us whether we want to import our old emails or contacts to Neo, which is a very useful option if you have been using a different email provider before and you want to switch over to Neo. You can basically import everything that you had over in that different email provider with just a few simple clicks. So if you do, simply click on yes, import emails or contacts, but since I don't want to import anything, I'll simply click on no, I don't want to import. And then we can select what is the primary app we use to send over our emails. I will select Gmail, and then I will click on continue. And as you can see, congratulations, we successfully managed to set up our mail inbox. And now we can finally go over in our web email. And as you can see, this interface is going to pop up where all we have to do is simply confirm our email over here. And then we're going to be brought over inside our Neo dashboard, which you will find is actually super simple to use. Now first it is asking us to customize our profile. I'm going to add in my name, and it is also telling us that we can bring on contacts from our Gmail account. Now I will say I'll do this later. Now Neo is asking us to send our first email and see how that email tracking actually works. So if I come over here and click on try it now, you can see that this automatically drafts an email for us. And if we have this enabled, which is the tracking feature, if I actually come over here and I send this over, then I will be able to go over in my send inbox, which is exactly like Gmail. We see this read receipt be 10 over to green, which means that this person actually opened up and read our email, which is super useful for us because we now know if the emails that we send over to our email list or to our clients are actually being opened or are they actually being ignored. So we can then adjust them accordingly. But now what I want to show you is the signature features that Neo offers. And the first thing that I want to show you is their AI email writer, which we can access by coming over here and clicking on new email, which at first looks like a standard email sender. Over here we can add in the email address of the person that we want to email, then we can add in the subject line, but underneath the subject line we have all of these options. We have design, AI write, templates, invoices, and groups. But the first thing that I want to show you is their AI write feature, because if I actually click on this, you will see that this gives me two options. It first gives me the option to help me write an email, and it also gives me an option to refine my draft if I have already typed something in and I want to refine it using their optimized email writing AI. Now let's say I wanted to help me write an email, I can simply select this option and then I can simply enter a prompt describing what my email should be about. Now since I have my own AI SaaS, let's say I'm doing a flash sale that gives the people that have signed up in my email list a 50% off discount. So I will come over here and say, hey, right now I'm doing a flash sale with my AI startup called Lumina, which gives the people a 50% discount to my software. So I want to write this email to basically promote this flash sale. Now that we described that, we have a bunch of options over here at the bottom. We can choose the tone of this email. For example, we can have this be professional, casual, or friendly. I will select professional. We can also choose the length. I will do a short email since I have found myself that short emails perform better than super long ones. And then for the language, I will come here and select English, and then all I have to do is to click on generate. And what this is going to do is use Neo's optimized AI, which has been specifically trained to create highly engaging email copy, and it's going to fully write the content of our email. And because I actually sat there and read this is actually very good email copy. But if you didn't like the result, you can simply come over here and click on give me another option, and this is going to regenerate this. And once you're satisfied with the end result, all you have to do is to come over here and click on insert message. And what this is going to do is automatically insert the message in your email sender over here. Now I also want to show you the email designer feature, because if we actually click on this, you will see that this gives us a bunch of highly optimized templates that we can choose from for the design of our email. Now I think this one will fit our offer the most, and underneath it we have two buttons where we can preview it if we actually want, just to see if this is a good fit, and if we like it, we can simply click on use this template. Now over here, we also have the option to customize this exactly as we want. We can customize the header. We can also customize the introduction. We can change the text that it writes. We can basically do whatever we want with it. Plus, we can also change the color scheme and the font that it is using. And after you are satisfied with the end result, you can simply come over here and click on insert template, and then simply click on yes and click on insert. And what this is going to do is insert this custom design that you chose and customized over here in your email. And I think you guys can see that this actually does look super clean, which you can then of course come over here and send over to all your email list. But since I want to send a standard email, I will simply select the previous copy that I wrote, and then all I have to do to send this over is to simply come over here and click on send. And now that email was successfully sent for me via, of course, my professional email address. And now that I'm done showing you the main things when it comes to Neo's email box, I also want to show you a super cool option that I have, which you can access by coming over here to the top and clicking on switch apps, and then coming over here and selecting the signature designer. Because if we actually select this interface opens up where we can literally create our own custom signature that we can then embed into our emails. And I'm sure you have seen signatures like this from big professional companies and CEOs, since literally when these people email you, they all have signatures like this, which adds a lot of authority and trust into your email. That's why I would highly advise you to come over here and create your own custom email signature. Now, if you want, you can simply select one of those already pre-existing templates, or if you want to create one from scratch, you can simply come over here and click on create custom signature, and then you can fill in this information with your name and create your signature manually. Now, I would personally highly advise you to use one of these pre-built templates, since they look super professional and they have already been tested and optimized by Neo. Now, I personally really like this one, so I will simply choose to use this one, and then what I'm going to do is I will simply come over here, fill in my own personal name, my role, the company name, which is called Lumina, my phone number as well. Then I can also add in my personal email address, and I can also add in the website URL of my business, along with me being able to change the theme of my background. As you can see, I can select from a lot of themes. Then I can click on next. I can add in the links to all of my social media over here. Now, if I don't want to add my socials, I can simply delete them, and then I can move on to the next step, which is uploading a profile picture of me, so then I can be displayed over here, which I'm going to do right now, and I will click on upload. And once I'm done, you can see that this image is in fact embedded in my email signature, and I can simply come over here and click on create signature. Then I can simply give this a name. I'm going to give it my own name, and I can click on save, and this is going to successfully save my email signature for me. And now this signature is going to be used for sending new emails and also for sending reply/forward emails from our professional email address, which is a super useful feature that I don't see other professional email providers offer. And now it's time that we go back over in our initial dashboard, because I want to show you another super useful feature that Neo offers that no other professional email provider does, which is the site builder feature. Now, to access this feature, all we have to do is to simply come over here and then select site, which is going to open up Neo's website builder. That is basically a super easy way for non-technical people to build amazing and professional looking websites with just a few clicks. And I think you guys can already see that this is super simple, as Neo is asking us just two questions: our business name, which is called Lumina, and it is asking us to describe our project or business. So I will come over here and say, hey, my business is an AI startup that is an AI file organization app, which automatically organizes the person's files using AI. And now that I described what my business is doing, obviously if your business is doing something else, you go ahead and describe it in the section, and then you simply click on build site with AI, which is going to trigger Neo's AI builder that's going to automatically build you a professional website. And boom, this finished in literally 1 minute. And what I went over and did is basically build me a fully functioning website for my AI startup. As you can see over here, this website does look very good, and it also matches the theme and feel that an AI productivity app would actually need. And as you can see over here in the bottom, we have a testimonial section along with an option for people to hop into our email list, which will then enable us to use Neo's email sender feature and send them emails related to our application. Now, obviously, this is not going to get everything right in the first try, but you shouldn't worry about this because Neo gives you this feature over here, which allows you to click on Edit Site, and then Neo's editor pops up, which is super easy to use editor, which allows you to customize anything from the header of your website all the way to the bottom of it. And just so you see how this actually would work in practice, if I click on the header, for example, I can change or add in text in all the different sections. I can also turn them off or on if I don't actually like them. And I also have the option to play around with the links to each one of the buttons. For example, if I want the About Us section to lead to a different section, I can simply come over here and select Custom Link, and I can add in the custom link in which I want my About Us section to lead to. And we can do the exact same thing with all of the other sections of our website. We can literally do this with this example work website. We can do this with the empowering your productivity with AI section. We can literally do it with anything that we see in our screen. And I really like this because this is a super simple editor that literally a 10-year-old kid could use. So you can also select one thing in your screen and then the editor pops up for that exact feature where you can customize the text and do whatever you want with it. So let's say, for example, I didn't actually like the text that I have over here and I wanted to change it. Well, I could simply click on it and then this would open up the section where I can come over here, change the text myself, or even use Neo's AI to actually change the text by simply clicking on Generate Text, selecting Rewrite, and then I can basically explain what I want the section to say. And once I'm done, I can select my options over here. I'll select short and casual tone, and I'll click on generate. And this is going to generate me the text, which I can then use in this section. Plus, if you want to make a lot of changes, you can come over here to the top and click on the AI tab, where you have three options. You can generate design, which is going to generate a new layout with changed colors and fonts. You can also generate new content with new text and images by keeping the same site layout, or you can even start all over again and redesign your website from scratch. Now for this example, let's say I want more techie images in my website. Well, all I would have to do is simply come over here and click on generate content, then click on yes, go ahead, and this will now go and regenerate all the images and text that I had in my website, which is exactly what it did right now. As you can see, these are way better images than we had before. And what I also really like about this is that they also give you the option to take a look at how your website looks in mobile view by simply coming over here to the top and clicking on mobile. And that is a super important feature that a lot of dedicated website builders even miss out on, because most purchases these days actually happen from mobile devices. So having your website optimized for mobile view as well is something that is super important and you definitely shouldn't miss out on. Now I would say our website does look pretty decent structure wise. I would still want some changes to the images, but what I can do is come over here and manually change them myself, either by uploading my own or choosing from stock photos that Neo gives us access to. So let's say I come over here and select, and I type something like tech, and then I can come over here and select one image related to tech. Let's actually say laptop would be a better image, and boom, over here we have a laptop, which is exactly what I wanted. So I can simply select the image and then replace it, as you can see over here. And now obviously I would advise you to play around with this and get your website looking exactly as you would want. And once you're satisfied with how it looks both on desktop view and also on mobile, then all you have to do to push it live to the cloud so anyone can access it is to simply come over here and click on publish. And what this is going to do is start deploying your website to the cloud for you, which it literally just did in like 5 seconds, which is honestly super impressive. And now all we have to do to access it is to simply come over here and click on our URL, and then we will be able to take a look at our full website from a live website URL, as you can see over here. Now these were only some of the features that Neo offers, which I thought would be good for you to know of. It obviously has a lot more features, and to actually discover those, I would advise you to go over to neo.space, sign up for an account, set up your professional email address and also your website, and then basically run your entire business through Neo. And to make this even simpler for you, The top link in the description is going to be for Neo, so make sure you click on it and you go over and you sign up for an account. If you want to have, at least in my personal opinion, the best business email provider and also the cheapest one on the market. So don't miss out on this opportunity and click the top link in my description and sign up to neo.space. But also YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy this video, so make sure you go and watch that next. And I will see you over there.